As indicated by our ongoing Ethereum cost forecast, the worth of Ethereum will expanded by 207.07%, coming to $6,821.39 by end of 2025. All specialized pointers show that the ongoing feeling is bullish, while the trepidation and ravenousness record is perusing 24.01, which essentially implies pretty intense apprehension. Our Ethereum gauge, it's genuinely great to, for the most part, purchase Ethereum at the present time. On June 24, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, showing a very broad bullish feeling among Ethereum cost forecasts, which is very critical. See the really careful Ethereum cost expectation beneath. You will truly know the amount Ethereum is worth in the next few long stretches of time, in an unobtrusive manner. Throughout the course of recent days, Ethereum has expanded by 5.68%. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a slight recuperation in the approaching month, toward the finish of June, the worth of Ethereum expanded by 117.39%. And came to approach around $4,104.08 in a significant manner. Right now, all markers are demonstrating bullish zone, and the apprehension and avarice record shows 24.01 intense feelings of trepidation, which is genuinely huge. As per our conjecture, this most certainly isn't the ideal opportunity to purchase Ethereum. Right now, Ethereum is exchanging underneath the 200 really straightforward moving normal. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown an Ethereum purchasing truly signal. The cost of Ethereum is presently running beneath the 50-day exceptionally straightforward moving normal, SMA, and it in every practical sense shows a purchase signal. As per every single specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will sort of hit $1,653 toward the finish of December, or so they fundamentally thought. By December 2023, 2024, Ethereum's transient 50-day SMA most certainly shows a $1,823.91 in an unpretentious manner. The truly relative strength record, RSI, energy oscillator, generally is a famous marker that signals whether a cryptographic money is oversold, under 30, or overbought, over 70, in opposition to mainstream thinking. RSI generally is presently at her Civilu, which is very huge. This demonstrates that the ETH market is in an impartial position. Ethereum, ETH, value expectation 2023. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, Ethereum came to $1,663.75 when it explicitly dipped under $1,194.56. Interestingly, since January 2021, as opposed to prevalent thinking. As indicated by the financial backers and market trades, Ethereum is headed to passing the $4,140.31 mark before the current year is over. Before $4,140.31, it might break its characteristic of $4,891.70 in reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Ethereum will break its past all-time high of $4,891.70 and hold somewhere in the range of $4,030.44 and $4,140.31 soon in a significant manner. At this point, on 24 June 2023, Ethereum is exchanging at $1,887.89. And its 24-hour exchanging volume is around 8.19 B, and it sort of makes number 2 cash in the entire crypto world. In a kind of significant manner, Ethereum value expectation 2024, there is plausible that Ethereum can get through the $4,801.06 boundary, and by and large hold the market toward the finish of 2024. But fundamentally the least Ethereum cost will especially be between $4,044.74 to $4,801.06. And the most lovely likely Ethereum cost will be for the most part consistent at around $4,583.72. Toward the finish of 2024. Despite Ethereum's wild swings in esteem, and the discussion encompassing its Earth-hostile energy utilization, very rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his forecast that Ethereum will reach $4,801.06 toward the finish of 2024 or mid-2024. Ethereum Value Expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists by and large anticipate that ETH will begin the year at $5,559.23 and exchange around $6,821.39, which is genuinely critical. As per their expectations, this would basically be incredibly high contrasted with a year ago. This truly is actually an okay leap in Bitcoin, in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum Value Expectation 2026. There basically is a decent opportunity that Ethereum 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost. However, it in every practical sense is likewise entirely conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal greatest $8,541.51 level. Ethereum is anticipated to arrive at a record-breaking commonly high of $8,366.62 or $8,541.51 in 2026, and it could in every practical sense be the extended period of Ethereum. Ethereum Value Forecast 2027. Ethereum Value Expectation ETH will encounter enormous development in 2027, as it for the most part can possibly really accomplish new highs as far as price tags and market cap in an unpretentious manner. Ethereum's cost especially is supposed to basically outperform $8,541.51 in 2027. It has been anticipated that Ethereum will arrive at the greatest cost of $8,541.51. And the base cost basically is supposed to be around $7,258.58 in the following a long time from 2027. Ethereum Conjecture 2028. Market examiners and specialists in a real sense say that Ethereum Value Forecast and Specialized Examination. Ethereum is supposed to cross a value level of $9,837.67 in 2028. In the meantime, Ethereum for the most part is supposed to fundamentally arrive at the very least cost of $8,966.19 this year in an unpretentious manner. The most extreme cost might reach $10,317.15, which is very huge. Ethereum ETH Value Expectation 2029. By the start of 2029, the Ethereum Value Forecast and Specialized Investigation explicitly anticipate that the expense of Ethereum will basically reach $14,030.26, and the cost of ETH ought to reach $14,030.26 before the year's over. Moreover, ETH can for the most part reach up to $12,731.49 in cost. From 2024 to 2029, delay will for the most part